The first question that almost everybody asks me once they are diagnosed with cancer is, Doctor, can it be cured completely? And when it comes to colon cancer, honestly, the answer is yes, it can be cured completely, especially if we detect it early. I'm Dr. Asit Arora. I'm the director of GI Oncosurgery. And आज हम बात करेंगे colon cancer के बारे में, how we can cure it and how we can achieve the best outcomes when we treat colon cancer. Colon cancer is one of the highest incidence cancer world over, और unfortunately India में इसका incidence बहुत ही rapidly बढ़ रहा है, and it has almost become third commonest cancer in our country. Now, the important thing about colon cancer is it is one of the few cancers which are preventable, and secondly, it is one of the most curable cancers in human body. Now, what makes it different from other cancer is that colon cancer originates from the inner lining of the colon, which is accessible to us via colonoscopy. Now, colon cancer develops as small, tiny polyps, and from polyps to cancer, this journey usually takes around not days or weeks or months, it usually takes years. Now, this gives us so much of lag time to intervene. So, if you do colonoscopy, you can not only detect these polyps, you can even remove them, and which itself becomes therapeutic. Secondly, when colon cancer is detected early, when it has not spread to the other parts of body, then if you treat it in an ideal manner, that is a good surgery, then you can achieve cure in almost 90% of patients. What is most important is early detection and timely treatment. And if you can do these two things, you can achieve cure rates in most of the colon cancer patients. Now, in some cases, we do see patients in advanced cases, stage 4, in which cancer has spread to other parts of the human body. But here also, medicine has made so much advances that with the right combination of chemotherapy, radiation and surgery, we can achieve cures in a good number of patients. और हम बहुत से पेशेंट को मीनिंगफुल लाइफ दे पाते हैं, वो बहुत लंबे समय तक कैंसर फ्री रह के जी पाते हैं, even in stage 4 cancers. So in a nutshell, colon cancer is a very curable cancer. It can be a preventable cancer. Any person who is more than 45 years of age should undergo a screening colonoscopy. If you have any red flags for colon cancers like bleeding, anorexia, weight loss, change in bowel habit, you should get yourself tested by a colonoscopy. And once it is detected, you should seek urgent medical advice. Stay happy, stay healthy.